Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. In today's video I will show you how to hard reset your Motorola G32. So basically wipe your passcode or pattern, but do remember this will erase all your data, so you'll have to remember the Google credentials. So let's get on. Switch off the phone, then hold down the volume down and the power button for a few seconds, and it will go into this fast boot mode. From here, using volume down, select recovery, confirm with the power button, and it will go into this mode where you will hold down the power button and shortly press the volume up. From here, as usual, wipe data, factory reset, reconfirm, and you're all done. Just reboot the phone now and the phone is ready to go. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.